Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sarah Triana Wulandaru with student ID number 2106030029. Chemistry Class A, Class 2021. Environmental Chemistry. What is environmental chemistry? The environment is a collection of everything that forms conditions and will affect both directly and indirectly. Environmental chemistry is the scientific study of chemical and biochemical phenomena occurring in nature. Environmental chemistry is an interdisciplinary science that includes atmospheric, aquatic, and soil chemistry, and is also highly dependent on analytical chemistry and environmental science and other disciplines. The climate change that is happening in the world is very significant. However, climate change we already feel this pandemic is evidence of environmental damage. Major change show how the earth ultimately can change the climate. The biggest factor in the high human consumption of motorized vehicles. The smoke that comes out accumulates and continues to accumulate in the atmosphere so that the smoke becomes very thick, disturbing the aerial view. As for then not only disturbing the aerial view but also threatens global warming. If the temperature increases, it will feel very hot, and those who live in the poles, namely polar bears, will lose their homes. Greenhouse effect or global warming, namely 1. The use of fossil fuels by human products very large amount of CO2 gas. 2. This CO2 gas cannot be directly emitted in the carbon cycle, so it accumulates and forms a layer in the stratosphere. Under natural conditions, solar energy and is absorbed by the earth and will be irradiated as heat, leaving the earth, but some of the heat is now absorbed by CO2 layer in the stratosphere, so that only some of the geothermal heat can escape in the outer space. Greenhouse including H2O, O3, CH4 and 2, but CO3 is the main one. Earth's temperature is expected to influence climate patterns, high polar ice caps, human health, agriculture, life, and animal distribution. Depletion of the ozone layer. Ozone layer depletion. The ozone layer or O3 absorbs ultraviolet or UV radiation from the sun and protects the earth from it. Chlorofluorocarbon compounds are used as refrigerants in man-made refrigerators and air conditioners that reach the stratosphere and break the molecular bond of ozone. Without the ozone layer move, UV radiation penetrates the atmosphere and reaches the Earth's surface. How much is the result of increased UV reaching the Earth? Affect human health or inhibit immunity, reducing agricultural and forestry yields, increases the conversion of compounds into smoke pollution in the troposphere, degrade human materials, damage the structure and function of natural ecosystems. Environmental pollution. Environmental pollution occurs when the material cycle in the environment changes, so that the balance in terms of structure and function is disturbed. Disturbance occur from natural process and human action. Environmental pollution is an effect even then spread chemical at a certain level that can change the balance of the material cycle, but in its structure and function so that it interferes with human welfare. Why can the environment be polluted? 1. The rate of loss of certain compounds from the environment is greater than the entry of substitute compounds. 2. Damage of break the flow of the biochemical cycle. 3. The rate of entry of compounds into the environment is greater than the rate of uptake. 4. Entry of degradable compounds into the environment. Contaminant. Some chemicals are needed for life in large amounts, so if a shortage will cause problems. There are also those whose acceptance must be in small amount for life, and when excessive will cause pollution, causing disruption to the well-being of humans, animals, and plants are called pollutants. 3 types of pollutant based on the physical medium of the environment. When the chemical and spirits, the type of pollution is divided into 3 names. 1. Air pollution. 2. Water pollution. 3. Soil pollution. Countermeasures. 1. Using low emission fuel. 2. Filtering industrial smoke waste. 3. Cleaning or looks of the city. 4. Reforestation. As much as I can convey, I am sorry there